Hi. Over here I've got some of you call it French fries. We just call it chips. It's delicious. And all that I have today has been deep fried and grilled at a high temperature with cannabis. So it's delicious and it gets you high. So here we've got some coated fish with a couple of spices and mixed herbs. We've got some deep fried chips. In there we added some oil to the oil. Yeah, so everything here has a lot of potency.
THC.
And this side we've got a really nice spicy fried beef, and it's got a whole lot of THC in it. So I hope you guys enjoy while we enjoy with you. And for dessert